So here's some really cool examples of how Ethereum will potentially change the world.
Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel! The value of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, has surged in recent months. After beginning the year with a price of less than $800 per token, it has surpassed $4,000 and is now trading alongside Bitcoin and most other major digital currencies. Since then, one expert panel has forecast that the price would rise over $20,000, with the ETH network's upcoming big improvements pushing it even higher. And here is why Ethereum is changing forever.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
Number 4. Price dropping. The weakening of Ethereum is mostly due to a larger sell-off in crypto prices, following the rather high US inflation statistics. The headline CPI increased by 4.4% in June, after increasing by 6% the previous month, according to the figures. The core CPI increased by 4.2% as well. These figures are significant for cryptocurrencies because they suggest the Federal Reserve may be obliged to act. Indeed, according to minutes released last week, some Fed members have begun to discuss reducing asset purchases. As a result, risky assets like Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies will suffer. Because of the current DeFi meltdown, the price of Ether is also falling. DeFi, as you may be aware, is a major platform that aids in the decentralization of the financial industry. Furthermore, the majority of these applications are based on Ethereum's blockchain. As a result, its success tends to be linked to the price of Ether. From a weekly high of more than $38 million, the total value locked in the system has plummeted to $56 billion. Meanwhile, Ethereum's price is under pressure, according to on-chain data. For one thing, network expansion has slowed significantly. Furthermore, while bears are winning the bear against bull war, the frequency and volume of major transactions have decreased.
Crypto market has seen a flash crash starting with Ethereum over the last 48 hours.
Number 3. Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. Yes, Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin over a long time horizon. The second-tier adopters are only now beginning to grasp it. The benefit of Ethereum alone will exceed anything else. At $30,000 per coin, Bitcoin has a market value of about $780 billion, while Ethereum is worth over $350 billion at $2,800 each Ether token. Over the previous year, however, Ethereum has narrowed the gap on Bitcoin, gaining 2,000% in comparison to Bitcoin's 300% gain. The growing popularity of decentralized finance, DeFi, uses cryptocurrency technology to reproduce traditional bank products. It is built up on top of Ethereum's blockchain and has boosted the Ethereum prices this year. Meanwhile, the non-fungible token, NFT Mania, which has seen all sorts of memes, digital artwork, tweets, and YouTube videos traded via Ethereum's blockchain, has raised Ether demand even more. Bitcoin is digital gold, argues Cox, but Ethereum is digital oil. 2Prime, located in the Cayman Islands, has established a liquid yield fund to diversify from fixed income. The firm provides clients exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum through its funds and aims to have $350 million in assets under management by the end of the year. Our overall prognosis is positive, adds Cox, describing El Salvador's intentions for mass Bitcoin adoption as more important than previously believed. The majority of this pullback's agony has most likely already been felt. Sentiment toward the king of crypto continues to shift into positive territory. Pietro Aldrino, the chief technology officer of Bitfinex, said in an emailed statement. He cautioned that the likes of Tesla billionaire Elon Musk could destabilize the market. Bitfinex is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange based in the British Virgin Islands. High-profile investors, like famed hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones, continue to have disproportionate control over cryptocurrency pricing.
No way possible today to know what the next 10 or 20 years are going to be like.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. How would you feel knowing that you could pay every bill you have right now as well as any future bills that come in? Commission Hero is a proven system that has helped over 8,000 people earn upwards of $1,000 a day or more. The best part is that there is zero experience needed to get started. In this free training, Robbie Blanchard and his team will teach you the top 3 secrets to how and why this system works, and how it can also work for you. Join the thousands of people who have found success and financial freedom using Commission Hero. Right now, the first 100 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now let's get back to the video.
Number 2. Price predictions. The panel predicts that ETH will reach $21,825 by 2025, with the majority of the 35 crypto experts forecasting that by the end of 2022, Ethereum would have surpassed Bitcoin as the most frequently traded digital asset. Last month, a leaked Goldman Sachs study supported this opinion, predicting that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin to become the most widely used cryptocurrency shortly. Personal financial comparison site Finder polled the panel, which includes CoinMama chief executive Amit Bakshi and Consensus chief economist Alex Sokolin. Long-awaited improvements to the Ethereum network, which began in late 2020 and are intended to help ETH grow and decrease its high costs, might propel it to new heights. We are expecting to see substantial enhancements to the Ethereum network this year, and those may be expected to push the price higher, said site panel member and BitBull Capital Chief Operating Officer Kate Mergerstrand. Ms. Mergerstrand is bullish about Ethereum, estimating that by 2025, it would have risen to a stunning $150,000. The rising popularity of DeFi, the practice of utilizing crypto technology to replicate classic financial instruments, such as loans and interest, to replace banks with blockchain-based protocols, has aided Ethereum's rise over the previous year. Because many of the largest DeFi applications are based on its blockchain, the ETH network has been overburdened with users. Simultaneously, the recent cryptomania for so-called non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has resulted in high traffic on the underlying ETH network. Number 1. Price risk in the long term. To recap, on July 10, the price of Ethereum fell below the lower trend line on a rising wedge formation at $2,530 before finding some support below the 200-day SMA, which matched the informative February high of $2,811 and was backed up by the 2020 ascending trend line at $1,965. Despite the abundance of support, Ethereum's price dropped below support levels Wednesday, logging its first daily close below the 2020 rising trend line. It increases the risk of ETH to the downside, making the formerly reliable support of the February high and 200-day SMA a source of resistance.
Because if I sold them today, they'd be worth something like $230,000. I would cry.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future.